everyone, Joe here with Good Old Scratch Custom Apparel. We're jumping right into this video, so make sure you hit that like, subscribe, the bell button, leave some comments along the way if you have any questions. Thank you all that have been following along this far. We are doing more tote bags. This seems to be a theme this summer. I don't have a problem with that. I have a new customer for these. She is doing some retreats. This is part of her package deal. She provided the logo that I just printed on the Prestige R2 Pro through the Miro 13 Max. And check this logo out. Another one that you couldn't do, I guess, with vinyl. It is all one color. But all these fine details that would have to be cut and weeded out. Not to mention the very fine detail of the text at the bottom. Not impossible to do with vinyl, but definitely a blessing to be able to get this all done without having to cut or weed through the Prestige R2 Pro. So I have everything printed, cut down to size. I'm working with more tote bags, and these are slightly different than the ones I've worked in the past. The previous ones are canvas, and canvas bags are still genuinely cotton fabrics. They can be bonded with polyester sometimes. These tote bags are much thinner, and they are actually 100% cotton. I'm actually going to attempt pressing these without the pressing pillow just to see if I can get away, because they are a lot thinner. The seams don't stick out as much as the other tote bags, so they're quite flat. I'm obviously going to press with the top seam and the handles off of the heat press. My heat press set normally 300 degrees. I'm going to check the pressure here, make sure that perfect medium to firm pressure. Make sure it's very important. Make sure you're in an even flat space or surface area that you're pressing. And we're jumping right into it. Okay. Cover sheet. And I'm going to do the first application for 10 seconds. I'm going to see if I can peel this hot. Perfect. See, that's the night and day difference. If you saw the previous video with the canvas bag, the heat press pillow retains a lot of the heat of the element, or from the heating element of the heat press. So my quick glide couldn't really work quickly. I had to take it off, wait for that to cool down. Not a big deal. But I'm gonna go make sure I go back and press for another 10 seconds. Making sure all the detail is down and in there. Good. Perfect. All right. So I have 12 of these that I have to cruise through, so we'll speed it up. Last one. As you saw, at some point I did have to start taking it off of the heat press to peel the carrier, because this lower platen retains heat after obviously a couple uses, so it wasn't allowing me to really peel hot.
You're a liar.
So, no big deal. I'm just tacking it on here and then lay it on a cool surface for a couple seconds. And then you can peel the carrier smoothly. Yeah, after a while, see, that's pretty hot to the touch. So give that a few seconds, cool table. And then final tack. Okay, there we go. Final one. 12 tote bags, all good to go. Came out super sharp. This was a very last minute job requested by the customer, which makes this great opportunity for those that have a DTF setup, because these jobs were normally done by a screen printer. When customers only need 6 or 12, most screen printers are going to probably turn the job away, especially if it's the last second. Today is Thursday. She needed them by Tuesday. So, quick turnaround. So I was able to get this. I'm sure she'll be plenty happy with the results and ready to go for the event. I wanted to pop on here. I'm on a roll with tote bags. If you've done some tote bags with DTF transfers, share your stories in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Please make sure you hit the like, subscribe. If you're looking to get your own DTF setup with the Prestige R2 Pro and the Miro 13 Max, like what I have, or if you're looking for a heat press, or if you're looking for any equipment to start your own decoration business, you can check out the link that's in the description below. If you want me to do some custom transfers for you, leave a comment. I'll definitely follow up with you. Yeah, that's what I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and keep being a rock star.
I've been thinking quite a lot about one thing